Okay? So you can be reading chapter books over the summer to help you with your reading. What are some good chapter books some of you have read? Thank you, Charlene. What are some good chapter books? If any of you have read a chapter book, what are some good ones that you've read before that maybe you could suggest to your friends? Because it's nice to hear what your friends are reading that maybe would be good for them.
I read Junie B. Jones and the Stanky Smelly Bell.
Ooh, I love Junie B. Jones. I love Junie B. Jones. Those are really, really good books. Okay, anybody else? Junie B. Jones would be great for you guys because I think she's a first or second grader in the book, so that would be good for you guys. Okay. Let's see, what other chapter books? Isabella, what have you read? I'm sorry, say it again.
I'm trying to read Peter Potter. Do I need Peter Rabbit?
Ooh, Peter Rabbit. I love Peter Rabbit. I love Peter Rabbit. Those are good, good books. Okay. How about Keely?
Mine is, I read my Elmo books.
That's good. That's good. Okay.
I read a lot sometimes before I go to bed. It kind of helps me sleep a little.
Very good. It is. I like reading before bed, too. Okay. 2 more people. Tia, what are some books that you read? Go ahead, Tia.
Hi.
Go ahead, Tia. What books do you read?
Right now I'm working on an associated the strongest magic. I'll have the Queen book 1.
Oh, I know that one. Very cool. Okay, one more person. Dale, what are you reading? What are some chapter books you've read?
Sometimes I read my Bible with my mom, and some other nights I might read my book Lost in Pitcham Palace, which I really like that book.
Oh, that's a good. That is awesome. Yeah, that's a good thing to read, especially before bedtime. Very cool. Okay, so boys and girls, there's lots of different books that you can read that will help you be a stronger reader. And especially over the summer, we want to make sure that we're still reading. A lot of libraries have like summer reading programs. You can sign up and you get like prizes if you read over the summer. That would be awesome to do. So think about that. Okay? Think about that, and you might read different books. Okay. Well,